This is the best case to start with if you want to understand Slovak cases. It answers the question where, gdzie, or who about, what about, o kom, o čom. So, gdzie, the ending is e. V Afrike, the ending is also e. But v Paríži, the ending is i. V Austrálii, the ending is also i. But v Rakúsku, and the ending is u. If you don't see the rule yet, follow me in this video. Here are the rules. If the word, the noun, ends in the hat letter, in the hat consonant, the ending of the noun is e. For example, dom, gdzie, v dome, sestra, o kom, o sestre, žena, o kom, o žene, mačka, o kom, o čom, o mačke, káva, o káve, auto, o aute. Centrum. The ending is The ending is always deleted when the word is declined. So, centrum, goes out, o centre. If the end of the word is a soft consonant, the ending is i. Ključ, o kluči, stroj, o stroji, kolegyňa, o kolegyni, ulica, o ulici, večera, o večeri, loď, o lodi, vec, o veci, noc, o noci, more, o mori. Reštaurácia, ending is ie, will change into i. Look at the soft consonants. All of them are the consonants with this apostrophe above the top of the word, of the letter. But also these are the letters c, r, y. These ones are considered soft in Slovak language. So you have to remember only soft consonants because all the other ones are considered hard consonants. So if it is not soft, it is hard. Letters k, g, h are also hard consonant, but for them the rule is different. For them the ending is u. Look, vlak, vlaku, meeting, meetingu, trh, trhu, Slovensko, Slovensku, ucho, uchu, tango, tangu. Video, videu, kakao, kakao. So, if the end of the word are two vowels, the ending is also u. Videu, kakao. Animate masculine nouns have the ending ovi. Študent, o študentovi. Kolega, o kolegovi. Detko, o detkovi. So when we speak about men or animate masculine nouns, the ending is ovi. The ending e for the words ending in hard letter. The ending e for words ending in soft letter. After kgh, the ending is u. And animate masculine nouns or man, ovi. Look at the following examples. Okom, o mame. M is hard consonant. Očom, o kaviarni. Kaviareň has soft ni at the end of the word. When we add the ending e, ni is losing that apostrophe above it because E always makes the previous letter soft. So, o kaviarni. Park, o parku. After k, g, h, the ending is u. Otec, o otcovi. This is a man. And the last example, oh, there is one more rule we have to talk about. Korčulovanie, o korčulovaní. Let's talk more about the last example. So the last word was korčulovanie, and the ending E changed into long letter E. So korčulovanie o korčulovaní, umenie o umení, poschodie o poschodí, cvičenie o cvičení, ovocie o ovocí, fajčenie o fajčení. And a couple of more exceptions. Dievča, zviera, štieňa, kurča, dieťa. They will get the ending T at the end. Dievča o dievčati, zviera o zvierati, štenia o šteniati, kurča o kurčati, dieťa o dieťati. Just one more point. The ending E will change into two letters, E. The ending E will change into just one letter, long E. And time for practice. Mesto, rieka, obchod. Kde? V meste, v rieke, v obchode. Reštaurácia, kancelária, kaviareň. Kde? V reštaurácii, v kancelárii, v kaviarni. Letisko, trh, Slovensko. Kde? Na letisku, na trhu, na Slovensku. Na means on the surface. Múzeum, laboratórium, centrum. Kde? V múzeu, v laboratóriu, v centre. Námestie, poschodie, vlak. Kde? Na námestí, na poschodí, vo vlaku. Tango, škola, káva. Kde? Na tangu, v škole, na káve. Maďarsko, večera, kino. V Maďarsku, na večeri, v kíne. Divadlo, ulica, meeting. V divadle, na ulici, na meetingu. Posteľ, izba, slovník. V posteli, v izbe, v slovníku. Auto, more, park. V aute, pri mori, v parku. Pri mori means at the sea. Študent, otec, kolega. O kom? O študentovi, o otcovi, o kolegovi. Film, kniha, život. O čom? O filme, o knihe, o živote. Jedlo, politika, problém. O jedle, o politike, o probléme. Rodina, práca, škola. O rodine, práci, škole. Šport, lekár, auto. O športe, lekárovi, aute. Zdravie, loď, mama. O zdraví, lodi, mame. Sestra, ujo, brat. O sestre, ujovi, bratovi. Dovolenka, jedlo, futbal. O dovolenke, jedle, futbale. Čaj, Afrika, Ázia. O čaji, Afrike, Ázii. Remember, yi is soft letter. Španielsko, Európa, Čína. O Španielsku, Európe, Číne. And the time for some exercises. Choose the right ending for the following examples: e, I, u, or long E. In the town, in the river, at the shop. V meste, v rieke, v obchode. In a restaurant, in an office, in a cafe. V reštaurácii, v kancelárii, v kaviarni. At the airport, at the market, in Slovakia. Na letisku, na trhu, na Slovensku. Sometimes answering the question kde, where, we also use preposition on the surface. In a museum, in a laboratory, in a center. V múzeu, v laboratóriu, v centre. In the square, on the floor or story, on the train. Na námestí, na poschodí, vo vlaku. At tango, at school, over coffee. Na tangu, v škole, na káve. In Hungary, at dinner, at the cinema. V Maďarsku, na večeri, v kine. In the theater, in the street, at a demonstration. V divadle, na ulici, na mítingu. In bed, in the room, in the dictionary. V posteli, v izbe, v slovníku. In the car, by the sea, in the park. V aute, pri mori, v parku. When we answer the question o kom, o čom, the ending could be e, I, u, long I or ovi. Rozprávali sme sa about student, about father, about colleague. O študentovi, o otcovi, o kolegovi. About film, book, life. O filme, o knihe, o živote. About food, politics, problem. O jedle, politike, probléme. About family, work, school. O rodine, práci, škole. About sports, doctor and car. O športe, lekárovi, aute. About health, ship, mother. O zdraví, lodi, mame. About sister, uncle, brother. O sestre, ujovi, bratovi. About holiday, food, football. O dovolenke, jedle, futbale. About tea, Africa, Asia. O čaji, Afrike, Ázii. About Spain, Europe, China. O Španielsku, Európe, Číne.